Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. You're targeting certain keywords in your SEO strategy, but do you know which ones are actually making you money and which ones are just eating up your budget? This calculator tells you the return on investment for any keyword you're targeting. So this is the SEO keyword ROI calculator by Upgrowth. It takes the revenue a keyword generates, the cost you put into ranking for it, and the clicks it brings, and gives you four outputs that tells you exactly how profitable that keyword is. So just three inputs, you have your full picture. Let us walk through a simple example. So revenue from keyword is the total revenue your business earned from the traffic that came through the specific keyword. So let's enter 1 lakh there. And next is total investment, meaning your SEO cost is everything you spend to rank for this keyword: content creation, link building, agency fees, tools, etc. So I've entered 20,000 there. Next is total clicks from keyword, is how many visitors came to your site through this keyword over the same period. So I'm entering 500 there. Now let's click on calculate. So here is the output. We get a net profit of 80,000. That is what you actually made after covering your SEO cost. And ROI percentage. Your ROI is 400% here. For every rupees 100 you spend, you earn rupees 400 in profit is what it means. And cost per click is rupees 40. That is what each visitor from this keyword cost you. And your revenue per click is rupees 200, meaning each visitor brought in rupees 200 in revenue on average. So four numbers that tell you exactly what this keyword is worth. Most SEO teams track keyword rankings and traffic volume. Very few track which keywords are actually generating profit. A keyword ranking on page one but sending low quality traffic that does not convert is costing you money, not making it. This calculator helps you identify your most profitable keywords so you double down on them, and spot the ones with poor returns so you stop wasting budget on content and links that are not paying off. So run this for your top 10 keywords and see which ones are actually working for your business. The link is in the description. And if you want help building a keyword strategy that drives real revenue, Upgrowth is right below. You can click on this, get in touch with our experts. We can help you out. Thank you.